ingredients for our brownies, normal brownies: 275 grams of butter and 375 grams of sugar, 100 grams of self-raising flour, 75 grams of cocoa, 100 grams of chocolate chips, and 4 eggs. So we're going to do a brownie. The oven is on, preheating at 180. I got 23 centimeter tin here, which I'm going to use, and we're going to mix all the ingredients together. What I do, I tend to cream the butter and the sugar first, and then adding eggs and my chocolate at the end, flour and cocoa in the middle. So let's start doing this, guys. I'm going to start by making the butter and sugar nice and fluffy. Bake it 45 minutes, 180 degrees. In the oven it goes. While your brownie is still warm, I took it out. I'm going to use Biscoff spread on half of it with Biscoff biscuits. This is going to be a different kind of brownie. So half is going to be Biscoff. I'm going to do while it's still warm, so that if it drips down the sides, it's nice and gooey. Second half is going to have salted caramel, and guess what? Salt. Ta-da! You can do this in tinier pieces and fill it up with anything else, but this was my idea for today, and I'll see you next time. Take care for now.